I'm the one. I'm the one. One.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My toes are looking a little crusty today, so I thought I'd do another toe video. I'm gonna start off by filing off the gel polish on my toes. I'm using I think a carbide bit. This time I wanted to try something new, just to see if it would go a little bit faster. But I normally just use a sanding band to file it off. I could also soak it off, but that takes a long time, so I find this is a little bit faster and just better for me. If you're going to use a carbide bit, make sure you're extremely gentle. If you're new to using drills, you should probably just use a sanding band instead, because it's a little less harsh on your natural nail. So two of my nails fell off, so there wasn't much nail polish on them, and I didn't even have to file them, so I just went straight to my pinky. I don't know what it is, but during this time of the year, every single time my toenails tend to fall off and then they just grow back. And it's not even like there's not a nail underneath. I don't know what goes on. It's like it's shedding its skin or something. I know that's so weird. Just listen to the music. So I went ahead and sprayed my toes with alcohol just so I could see my toes better. And here you see me just clipping my toenails so I could try to get it as even as I possibly could all the way around the toe. So here I started shaping my toes with my nail file just so I could try to get a pretty good shape on my toes. So this time I clipped a good amount of my toes down just so they could match the other toes that kind of fell off. And my toenails tend to grow really long and thick. So I thought, since it's basically fall now, I thought I'd go ahead and clip them down as far as possible. I like to kind of have them long during the summertime, but I thought this was the best thing to do. So now I'm just going to go ahead and buff my natural nail and get the rest of that gel polish off and prep it for when I put the nail polish on. Okay, so now that I'm done filing, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my toes with alcohol and clean the dust off so I could see my toes as clear as possible before I put this nail gel polish on. So I usually like to put on the Mia Secret dehydrator and the Mia Secret primer every single time before I put on any type of gel polish. I feel like it helps it stick to the nail, and I feel like it helps it last a little bit longer. So now I'm applying the Model 1's base coat. And this is just for any type of gel polish that you want to use. You can apply a base coat. It helps the gel polish go on smoother when you're painting it onto your toes. So after I do that, I went on ahead and cured it for 60 seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and use this color Elegance from Madam Glams. So after I did that, I cured it for 60 seconds, and I know this color may be a little hard to see, but that's because it's a really light nude. That's why I did about like 3 coats of it. So as you see here, this is my second coat, and after this coat, I'm gonna put on some Louis Vuitton stickers. And after I put on those Louis Vuitton stickers, I put on one more coat, so it's a little bit more visible after that. But I didn't want the stickers to be so harsh because they're gold. I didn't want them to be such a harsh gold. I kind of wanted them to be subtle underneath that Madam Glam Elegance color. That's why I did 3 coats. And when I did that 3rd coat, I put it right on top of these stickers. Y'all, I literally pulled out the tiniest stickers I had and was extremely surprised that these stickers actually fit on my toes. So here's that 3rd coat I was telling you guys about. So I got this new top coat and I wanted to try it out. It's called A Galore & Co. And you guys, this is me, of course, recording way after I filmed this video. I love this top coat, you guys. Like, I love it so much. It's so great. It's extremely shiny and it's kept its shine for a good amount of weeks. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I did this video. So yeah. This is a really good top coat. You guys should definitely check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description bar below. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys. I got a new drill and it's by Melody Susie, and I'm gonna link that in the description bar below. Y'all, I love this drill. I love this drill. It's an upgrade from the one that I had, and I feel like I've been working so much faster because of it. Alright y'all, I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
brother is a soldier who veteraned week after week in the trenches.